Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a medium-sized bowl, put in 2 cups of eggnog. Then add 2 tablespoons of sweet sherry, 1 teaspoon of lemon rind, and 2 teaspoons of orange rind. Give this a good stir. Now pop this in the fridge for about an hour to chill. Now get a small bowl and put in 1 egg white, and we want to beat this until soft peaks form. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now continue to beat this until it becomes glossy, like a meringue. Now get a serving bowl, pour in how much you want. For me, I want it all. Now this is a pretty big bowl, so this would actually serve probably 3 people in smaller bowls, but if you want to serve a lot more, just double it and you'll get 6 servings. Now get the meringue, just put a dollop in, or 2. Just get some nutmeg and sprinkle. Yum.
Simple